In this lesson, we will learn to measure length. Here's an example. The ruler is about 5 paper clips long. Its length is about 5 paper clips. Got it? What about this stapler here? The stapler is about 3 erasers long. Its length is about 3 erasers. One last example. Look at the bag here. The bag is about 2 pens long. Its length is about 2 pens.
We shall now measure length using different objects. The pen is about 3 paper clips long. It is also about 1 ice cream stick long. Look at this pencil case now. The pencil case is about 5 erasers long. It's about 2 crayons long, too. The file is about 7 thumbtacks long. It is also about 3 scissors long. Great! Now let's go for a short quiz.